Thank you so much for being here at this special movement that we're going to be doing today, this morning. We just want you to really open up your hearts and your minds this morning. This beautiful ulu tree has been here from the beginning of Mauna Kea Beach Hotel. And we, as practitioners of culture, of hula, of the aina, there's a sense of place and essence that we need to malama. Malama means to take care of this kuleana, this responsibility. And all I ask each of you to do is just to open up your hearts, your minds, and just kind of let your spirit flow this morning. Don't think about anything else. Don't even think about work. Don't think about work at this time. I really need you to be focused here with your beautiful energy. Even all of you up there, please send all your blessings and your energy towards this kumula'au so that it will grow. Just know that our kupuna, our elders and ancestors are all here because I can feel them already.